BBC News Update. Sam Bankman-Fried, founder of the once $32 billion valued cryptocurrency exchange FTX, is currently in prison, allegedly subsisting on bread and water, as reported by his lawyer. Despite requesting a vegan diet, it has not been provided. Charged with fraud over FTX's collapse, Bankman-Fried made a recent court appearance in New York, pleading not guilty to 7 new criminal charges. His lawyer highlights significant concerns: insufficient food impacting trial preparations, no provision of ADHD medication, Adderall, running low on depression medication, MSOM. However, the U.S. Bureau of Prisons asserts inmates have access to proper health care, medicine, and meals. Bankman-Fried, once known as the King of Crypto, was seen in court with leg restraints. His bail was previously revoked due to alleged witness tampering. While he acknowledges FTX's risk management failures, he denies stealing funds. FTX's bankruptcy in November 2022 sent ripples through the crypto world.